Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 8, that is air and water. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about the importance of air and water. Now today we will discuss about the atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? So the earth is our earth, or the earth is surrounded by a blanket of air. Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air, and this is called atmosphere. So remember the phrase blanket of air. Blanket of air that surrounds our earth is called atmosphere. Now this atmosphere has several layers. This atmosphere has several layers. And in every layers, mixture of gases are present. In every layer, mixture of gases are present. And this atmosphere extends up to 800 kilometers in the sky from the Earth's surface. From the Earth's surface, this atmosphere goes up high in the sky up to 800 kilometers, means 8,000 meters. Now we are going to study the several layers of atmosphere. So remember the word I am going to tell you. TSM, the. TSM, the. T for troposphere, the layer which is close to Earth. After that comes stratosphere, that is TSM. So S for stratosphere, M for mesosphere, TH for thermosphere, and last E for exosphere. So TSM, the. T for troposphere, S for stratosphere, M for mesosphere, TH for thermosphere, and E for exosphere. So mainly 5 layers of atmosphere. Mainly 5 layers of atmosphere. Class, never forget the word TSM, the. Now we are going to discuss one by one about these layers. So first layer, that is called troposphere. So troposphere is the layer closest to the Earth's surface. So as it is closest to the Earth's surface, so it contains water and gases, mostly oxygen and nitrogen. Mostly oxygen and nitrogen. This troposphere layer contains, and weather changes also take place in this layer. Clouds and etc. These all weather changes are take place in this layer. So conditions in this layer change very frequently. Conditions in this layer change very frequently, very fastly. Next comes the stratosphere. So after troposphere comes the stratosphere, and 30 kilometers. It is 30 kilometer thick. It is 30 kilometer thick. It is clear and cloudless air. It is clear and cloudless air. And in the upper part of this layer, that is stratosphere, in the upper part of this layer, there is another layer is present, that is called ozone layer. This layer is formed by a gas called ozone. And this ozone has very important for us. This ozone layer is very important for us or the life on the planet Earth, because this ozone layer absorbs or stops all the harmful rays which are coming from the sun. This ozone layer stops the harmful rays or blocks the harmful rays of sun and don't allow it to come to the Earth. So this ozone layer also protects the life on the Earth. Now we are moving to the mesosphere. So mesosphere is the coldest layer of the earth. Mesosphere is the coldest layer of the earth, and the thickness of this layer is 85 kilometer. And the thickness of this layer is 85 kilometer. When some meteors will come from space, here in this layer, mesosphere, in 85 kilometer thick layer, the meteors burn up here. The meteors burn up here. Now we are moving to the next layer, that is called TH, that is thermosphere. That is thermosphere. And this layer is very thin. This layer is very thin. And in this layer, space shuttles orbit our Earth. So remember Mangalyaan? So that Yaan goes to Mangal, close to the Mars planet. But here, the space is the satellites we launch, which revolve around the Earth. In this layer, that is thermosphere, this shuttles circle or rotate around. This satellites revolve around the Earth in this layer, thermosphere layer. Next comes the exosphere. As the name suggests, exo means outside. This is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, and here very little amount of air is present. And class, remember, as we go high, the level of oxygen decrease. Height increase, level of oxygen decrease. Height increase, level of oxygen decrease. Remember this. And that is why we have to carry our own oxygen cylinder if we go to space, or sometimes if we try to rise a very high mountain. So class, I hope you are able to understand about atmosphere and the various layers of atmosphere. Have a great day, class. Be safe at home. Thank you.